play my drum. Play the trumpet too.
Yeah, they're eating the crackers. Go ahead, throw some more.
I eat them.
They say num num nummy in your tum tum tummy.
Yeah.
The boats are parked.
Yeah. Boats can't go in the water.
The boats are in the water.
Yeah.
Good job. Okay, climb up there. Get up there. Holy cow, look at you go. On the round-around slide? Okay, come on. Mama has to go down with you. But you did it yesterday, no problem. Wow. Ready, set, go. Woo! Good job, buddy.
I go down by itself.
You did go down by yourself. Good job. Whoa. Good job, buddy. Okay. Watch for the poop. What is that? Ants.
That's a good point. What you get?
Bye-bye, ants.
Coconut.
You covered it up? Good job. Go, go, go. Up and down. Good job. Careful. Let's go see what we can see over here. Come on. Here. Come on. Come on. What do you see? What do you see? Peek. Peek out there again. Peek. Here. Okay, climb up them. Me too. Here, walk along this way. Walk right here. Ah, you're up on the thing. There you go. Yeah, you're walking up there by yourself? You're a big shot. It sounds like a boat? Yeah. Okay, go ahead. There are rocks on the rock? All right, go ahead. Okay. On the road? Okay, go ahead. Wow. Yeah, it went in there. Okay, throw that one. That is a big one. It broke. That one's too big. Okay, throw the pine cone. Throw it. Woo! Choo choo. Good job. Look at you. Yep, throw them. Oh, in the... We made it. We walked all the way across. And now we're at the lake. What do you see out there? Do you see any geese? Yeah, they're swimming. Okay. I'm gonna get you. That.
Can Grandma have a bite too? Just another one. Mmm.
Put it in your mouth. No.
Here, you can wipe
What?
your hands. In your mouth.
Yep. Bye-bye, tomato pieces. And there's still one under there, buddy. Did you get it? Oh, yay, good job.
Decide. On the grass. That's good, yeah. Thank you. Police cars. Oh no. Yeah, Mater's gotta tow them away. Oh. Look at them. Look at all of them over here. Oh, look at.
Hi, honey. Did you sleep good? Kick that blinky off. Kick, kick, kick. Yay.